buddy Danny here. Tell you what, let's pretend we're masons. Let's go build a rock wall. I'll meet you at the easel. And here we are today. Okay, as advertised, let's put some foreground stuff in. We're just going to come in like this. We're just going to do some sweeping like that. Okay. Maybe just a little darker here and there. Just a little bit like that. Okay. Now let's come into some green. Okay, we'll just pull green in here like that. Just that way. See there, that's pretty simple. Okay. Pretty doggone simple. It's gotta be if I'm gonna do it. Okay. We'll grab a little bit more green. Ooh, that's nicey greeny. Okay, just like that. We'll just sneak it right up there under those rocks. Just that way. Okay. And let's get a little hit, just a little hit of some bright brown. Just like that. And there we have it. This is perfectly well how you can do this. See, it wasn't that hard. We got it up there. We've got everything we needed in our painting. And we just take a damp brush. We just go over it like this. In oil painting, I'd call this hypnotizing it. Okay? And there you go. That's how quickly and how easily we were able to produce this painting. Okay? A whole different amount of greens in here. A sky that is little bits of color and then a damp brush to just diffuse it down. Our backgrounds back in here. No problem at all. Trees, again, different colors, different shades of green. Our rocks along. Greens and siennas right down here at the bottom. Okay? Be with me tomorrow and we will start our next series. Thank you for being with us. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, leave comments, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. Oh, my goodness. I don't know about you, but my arms are kind of tired after that. Be with me tomorrow. We'll do a little more landscaping, okay? Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. Oh, that hurts the arm. We love you.